Q276-30 eastbound. I think he said track 2, but I'm not sure. Well, anyway, good morning, everybody. I've been here for the last 33 minutes. I've been here since about 7. So it's 7:33 now. So in the morning. Oh, I got one today. Okay.
Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 228. End of transmission.
Baby today. It's more today. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for sure. I plan to be here about 1, maybe 2-ish, something like that. Depends how the traffic is, the way the traffic is. Knowing my experience. Yeah, knowing my experience on Fridays is kind of me. But I'll try as long as I can. E369. The lead unit was 750. Alright, see you guys on the next one.